when we see that screen of yours at the end, मुझे लगता है कि 2-3 करोड़ लोग तो सिर्फ उसी स्क्रीन की वजह से, क्यूरियोसिटी की वजह से देख लेंगे.
Yes, touch wood. Touch wood. I'm finally getting the work that I've always aspired to do.
What was your approach when you're having someone like Shefali Shah along with you?
एक बहुत बड़ा मोटिवेशन ये था कि शेफाली के साथ मैं काम करना चाहती थी काफी टाइम से.
YRF में जो शिफॉन वाली साड़ियों वाला जो होता है गाने वाने, वो आपको करना चाहिए.
From Kirti?
Yes. Seriously, this is a serious question.
No, I'm answering you very seriously. Just before this, hats off to the heroines, man. How do they do this?
Character that I'm playing was again something very, very fascinating and so well written and something so challenging for me to do.
Shefali Shah and Kirti Kulari, welcome on Bollywood Hungama.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And congratulations for Human. I genuinely feel the promo is stunning, and it promises something really spectacular. Shefali Shah, what was the reason for you to sign the film apart from the fact that your husband is directing you after 16 years?
In fact, that was the last thing that made me join it.
That's great.
I mean, that was hardly of any consideration. The fact that, yes, as a director, it matters to me that, I work with really good directors. So Vipul is somebody I've wanted to work with. But the script, the subject, and the role, and the director, these are the things that determine why I say yes to a project. And then, of course, the cast and the team that is along with it. So these are the main factors that I look for, and which Human kind of ticked all the boxes. And there was no way I could have said no.
What about you, Kirti? What was your motivation?
The script in every which way. The main theme of the show, the storyline, the way it's constructed, the character that I'm playing was again something very, very fascinating and so well written and something so challenging for me to do. And मतलब उसमें बहुत सारा juice था, like, and I think that's what really what you look for as an actor, कि आप कितना निचोड़ सकते हैं, and how much do you kind of push yourself and play that character. And of course, yeah, Shefali was a part of it from the beginning. So एक बहुत बड़ा motivation ये था कि शेफाली के साथ मैं काम करना चाहती थी काफी टाइम से. जिस तरह से मैं बहुत सारे अच्छे एक्टर्स के साथ काम करना चाहती हूँ, शेफाली बिल्कुल उसमें आती हैं. और मुझे लगा कि कुछ नया हो रहा है, कुछ जो स्क्रिप्ट है, मोसेस हैं, विपुल हैं, लाइक द होल माहौल वाज, मुझे लगा दैट यहाँ पे जेन्युइनली एक कोशिश हो रही है कि कोई कहानी कही जाए जो अलग है, जो पहले नहीं देखी है. और I mean, जब शो आएगा ऑफ कोर्स सब देखेंगे फरीदून, बट मेरे लिए मुझे ग्रे एक्सप्लोर करना बहुत पसंद है, तो और ये शो जो है ये स्टार्टिंग से लेकर एंड तक ग्रे से भरा हुआ है, तो बहुत वजन है इस शो में, and I think that's what really excited me.
And Shefali ji, I was reading one of your interviews and you've said that I just wanted to read a few lines from that. Characters don't have an expiry date and I never aspired to be a star. I don't have a very long resume, but I do have a strong one. Where I have reached now finally is a resurrection. I'm so glad for it, but I'm also greedy to do more. That's an important statement. When we see that screen of yours at the end, मुझे लगता है कि 2-3 करोड़ लोग तो सिर्फ उसी स्क्रीन की वजह से, क्यूरियोसिटी की वजह से देख लेंगे शो को. This is a very interesting statement. I think you are in the best phase of your career as an actor, right?
Yes, touch wood. Touch wood. I'm finally getting the work that I've always aspired to do, that I've dreamt of doing. People are writing stuff for me. They're putting me in the lead. And it's great. I mean, I'm touch wood. In fact, इस साल जितना मैंने काम किया, 2021 में जितना मैंने काम किया है, उतना मैंने पूरे करियर में नहीं किया. So it's been touch wood. It's really been good. Finally.
कीर्ति, you are a powerhouse performance, you know. आपकी भी एक intensity का जो एक quotient है वो बहुत high है. You can move an audience with your mere presence. When you're working with someone like say Shefali, for example, and who's a powerhouse in her own way, how do you get motivated? I think there should be a healthy competition to get better as far as getting the best of scenes are concerned, because I think it ultimately it just adds to the project as well.
No,
So
yeah.
I'm saying constructive. What was your approach when you're having someone like Shefali Shaila with it?
So फरीदून, मैं I mean मुझे बहुत एक्साइटमेंट रहता है अच्छे एक्टर्स के साथ काम करने का, लेकिन मुझे इट्स नेवर अ थॉट ऑफ, मतलब मुझे नहीं याद कि मुझे ऐसा थॉट आया हो कि मुझे इनसे कि मुझे अरे अपने आप को बहुत पुश करना है बिकॉज शेफाली मेरे सामने है. आई मीन इट इज अ गिवन, यू नो. आपके सामने जब कोई अच्छा होता है तो एक, जैसा आपने बात की, एक हेल्दी कंपटीशन वाला रहता है, इन द सेंस दैट you are giving your best, you know. And what I'm trying to say is that चाहे मेरे सामने शेफाली हो, चाहे मेरे सामने कोई और हो, जो मेरी तैयारी होती है वो मेरी तैयारी होती है. That's got nothing to do with मेरे सामने कौन है या मैं किन लोगों के साथ काम कर रही हूँ. जब बल्कि मजा बहुत बढ़ जाता है जब आपको पता है कि यार सामने, आपके सामने वाला भी उतना ही काम कर रहा है, you know. तो उसका एक एक्साइटमेंट होता है कि जब वो सामने आते हैं, जब आपको पता है कि आप जब रोज सेट पे जा रहे हैं, यू हैव समवन लाइक शेफाली, यू हैव, यू नो, सो मेनी गुड एक्टर्स फ्रॉम द शो. जब आपके सामने आते हैं तो आपको पता है कि अपना काम करके आए हैं. मतलब आई एम सॉरी बट ज्यादातर काम में तो आपको ऐसे लोगों का सामना करना पड़ता है जिन्होंने कुछ काम ही नहीं किया अपने ऊपर, जो आ गए हैं बस मुंह उठा के कि हम तो शूटिंग करते हैं, हम तो जो भी हैं, एंड दे जस्ट शो अप. You know, they don't have tayari, they don't have, you know, they might think of themselves as actors, but they are not really actors. तो जब ऐसे लोग आपके सामने आते हैं, शेफाली जैसे, तो you are so, आपको ना, if you don't have someone तैयारी किया हुआ in front of you, आपको back of the head मुझे थोड़ा सा concern रहता है. बिकॉज माई अल्टीमेट गोल इज कि यार ये स्क्रिप्ट है, ये सीन है, मैं काम करके आई हूं, अगर आप नहीं करके आए हैं तो थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ है, यू नो. क्योंकि आप उस सीन को तभी ऊपर उठा सकते हैं जब वो डायरेक्टर हो, एक्टर हो, सीन में जितने भी लोग, उस एवरीवन इज upping their game, you know, everyone is at the top of their game. So people around you being at the top of their game is something which is of course very you know, very inspiring. At the same time मजा आता है एक कोलैबोरेशन में, एक यू नो क्रिएटिव माहौल क्रिएट करने में, और उसके बाद फिर जो निकल के आता है उसका मजा आता है. सो मजा आता है. आई थिंक दैट्स द वर्ड दैट आई वुड लाइक टू यूज हियर.
शिवाली जी, आपको कभी ऐसा फील हुआ कि आप कीर्ति से कहें कि वैसे जिस तरीके से अभी भी ये लग रही है कि वायरफ में जो शिफॉन वाली साड़ियों वाला जो होता है गाने वाने, वो आपको करना चाहिए? Why is it that you're not seeing something of that sort?
From Kirti?
Yes. Seriously, this is a serious question.
No, I'm answering you very seriously. Just before this, when we were together doing a photo shoot, I was also wearing it, and I said, you know, hats off to the heroines, man. How do they do this? Like hats off. I was wearing a sari and I said, इसमें मैं चल नहीं सकती. वो लोग डांस करते हैं and they stand in the snow in this chiffon sari. So I really respect them for being able to dress up and to be able to doing it. And for all you know, you'll see Kirti there very soon. I mean, she's terrific. Look, she's terrific at whatever she does. So
how sweet.
नहीं, but जो भी मतलब whatever it is, you're in a happy space, but जो भी है वो अच्छा है, वो चलने दीजिए, because you're looking stunning these days. All right, and शिवाली जी, जो सब्जेक्ट है, ड्रग्स का सब्जेक्ट है, मुझे लगता है कि बहुत टॉपिकल भी है एक तरीके से. अगर हम एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट में देखें, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, यू नो, वी आर गोइंग थ्रू दिस कोविड राइट नाउ. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल they have this opinion कि that बहुत सारा जो भी हो रहा है, जो फियर क्रिएट होता है या फिर जो भी है, वो फार्मा कंपनीज क्रिएट करती हैं. कितना उसमें सच्चाई है, कितना सच्चाई नहीं है, वी डोंट नो, यू नो. So there are various opinions which are floating, which maybe has not happened in a really long time. सो आपको लगता है कि दैट एक जो टॉपिकलिटी है कुछ हद तक सब्जेक्ट की, वो और ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग इसको बनाती है, ना सिर्फ आई थिंक हिंदुस्तान में बट एनीवेयर में भी, बिकॉज राइट नाउ इफ द कंटेंट इज गुड, सो देयर आर नो बाउंड्रीज राइट नाउ.
There are two things that you've just said. One is, if the content is good, there are no boundaries. Secondly, this was a film that Vipul wanted to do many years ago. Then they decided to make it into a show, and Moses and Vipul had already started work on it. And post that, the COVID happened. So yes, it seems very relevant, but it's been relevant irrespective of the situation that we are in right now. Also, this show does not talk about COVID. It talks about human drug trials, which have been happening for the longest time. We don't know in detail about it. मतलब मुझे तो नहीं पता था until I got down to doing this show कि किस हद तक लोग जा सकते हैं. You know, the power play in this, or the it's very disturbing and it's very scary. So it's about human drug trials. It is about the underbelly of the medical world. But to say it is just in relevance to the situation that we all are facing world over, it would be unfair.
Preeti, we've seen that the sort of experience that you've had with shows is something which is phenomenal. I think one of the fascinating parts about doing shows are that you get to explore the various aspects of a character. वो सिर्फ उसमें बंदिश नहीं होती है कि आप सिर्फ इतना ही दिखा सकते हैं, उसके बियॉन्ड आप नहीं जा सकते हैं. So उसकी बैक स्टोरी भी आती है, उसकी थॉट प्रोसेस को भी आप दिखाते हैं, और वो सारी चीजें भी आती हैं. अगर हम आपके किरदार के बारे में बात करें, whatever we have gathered from the promo, so she is a successful doctor. At the same time, there is this moment in front of the laptop, so she has a private life as well. So maybe that is something that will be explored as well. Do you find that fascinating as far as doing shows are concerned, that there are various sides to characters, and फिर जब आप किसी भी किरदार को देखते हैं और जब अपीयर होता है, तो उस एक किरदार भी जो है हो सकता है वो 3-4 किरदार हो, and that makes it in a way novel.
Absolutely, Faridun. I mean, देखिए, हर इंसान के बहुत पहलू होते हैं, and जब भी I mean, whether it's a film, short film or a series, ऐसा हमेशा होना चाहिए कि आपको, this is what good writing is about, right? जब हम बात करते हैं अच्छे किरदार लिखे हुए हैं, अच्छी स्टोरी लिखी हुई है, तो they go into the layers of the character, right? लेकिन ऐसा ज्यादातर बहुत बार नहीं होता है. तो with OTT what's happening is, अभी writers को वक्त भी मिल रहा है to kind of really show, as you mentioned, different sides of that character. और जब आप उसी एक, when you look at a person a certain way, and then you start seeing them in different situations behaving differently, आप उसको layering कहते हैं, आप उसको dimension कहते हैं, आप उसको depth कहते हैं in the character. और ये बिल्कुल OTT and series एक जरिया है जो ऑफर करता है राइटर्स को किरदारों को अच्छे से लिखने का from a 360 degrees angle, and for actors to perform it the same way. तो you're very right. I think as an actor, इसीलिए जो एक आपको संतुष्टि मिलती है when you are, suppose अगर मैं OTT की बात करूं, and last 2 years have been, lot of people have seen me in a lot of things on OTT. तो इसीलिए आपके साथ those किरदार stay with you, क्योंकि वो अच्छे से लिखे होते हैं, क्योंकि आपने उनके साथ वो इतनी लंबी जर्नी जी होती है. सो जैसा मैंने कहा, ये हर अच्छी लिखावट हर कहीं पॉसिबल है, लेकिन अभी आई विल जस्ट बी हैप्पी अबाउट द फैक्ट कि कम से कम सीरीज में ये हो रहा है, और अच्छे से कुछ लिखा जा रहा है, अच्छे से उसको परफॉर्म करने का मौका मिल रहा है. तो अच्छा लगता है, लाइक एज एन एक्टर आपको अच्छा लगता है when you step out and people meet you and your characters have really stayed with them in more ways than one. तो मुझे जो ह्यूमननेस, मुझे एज एन एक्टर किरदारों की ह्यूमननेस एक्सप्लोर करने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो जब ये मुझे मौका मिल रहा है OTT के साथ, और आई एम रियली एंजॉयिंग दैट.
शिफाली जी, मैं आपसे एक बात ये पूछना चाह रहा था कि So आपने 16 साल पहले you played Akshay Kumar's mother. Now you're part of a show which is in a way you are headlining the show along with say Kirti for example. बड़ा एक दिलचस्प सा दौर है. रवीना टंडन आती हैं अब अरान्यक में और दुनिया भर में शो की चर्चा होती है. And you know कोई ऐसा कोई एक स्टीरियोटाइप नहीं है कि उसमें एक सर्टेन एज ब्रैकेट जो है वही उसको हेडलाइन करना है शो को या फिर which is fascinating in a way. So as an actor जो है वो आपकी खबर हो रही है. Is that one of the factors as well for you as an actor to shine the way you are shining right now, or enjoying your work the way you are?
Absolutely, and OTT has a huge part to play. You know, pehle unfortunately films mein actresses had a shelf life. Heroines had a shelf life between 18 to 22. After that, they didn't know what to do with women. Besides being accessories to the film or the hero. But today, they're writing stories with women frontlining. So, and the fact that Rishi thought of me to play Vartika Chaturvedi in DC changed a lot for me. It really has. So, you know, finally, people are writing scripts for me. They're putting me in the leads, and which is great, which is fantastic. And OTT is not determined by box office. So the character is prime. There is no hero hai, heroine ki maa hai, ek dost hai. It's not like that. Every character in its individuality is extremely strong. I did something at that point of time which excited me as an actor. Also, I believe that, listen, I'm an actor. The point of being an actor is to be able to play people I am not. And age is just another aspect of it.
Absolutely.
I love the script. I wanted to work with Vipul and Amitji. And in fact, Vipul did not want to cast me for that. And he had told me that this is not a good idea. But I wanted to be a part of it. I did it. What repercussions it had over my career? Well, abhi usko lekar abhi baat karne ka kya fayda?
No, absolutely.
You know,
absolutely.
But finally, touch wood, I am where I am and I'm where I want to be.
Right. All right. And Kirti, you know, you're doing these wonderful characters, diverse characters which may be having certain shades of gray as well. And human, for example, and at the same time, it's not merely that you're maybe playing characters. You're having views which are real in real life as well. So I was reading one of your interviews, and you've said that a woman does not have to be validated by the mere fact that she's married or she ends up getting children. There's much more to it. All this conditioning, the way it happens, maybe it's something which is not right. So how important is it for you to express yourself and lead your life the way you want?
Yes, it's very important for me to express myself. But is it very, very important for me to express myself to the media and to the world? No, it's not. You know, as long as I'm able to live my life based on my rules, I'm able to make choices in my life because of my own understanding and how I wish to live my life. I mean, it's just that I happen to be in a position where people want to know about my choices. People want to know about how I lead my life and why I lead my life the way I lead my life. So I think the need to express yourself is a very basic need. And I'm sure there are a lot of people जिनको freedom of ये expression है, जो ये need पूरी नहीं कर पाते हैं, and a lot of problems happen because people are not able to be who they want to be. So I have a very simple, it's not even a rule. I think we are actually surrounded and regulated by so many rules and conditionings कि उनको actually निकाल रही हूँ मैं, जो एक्चुअली होना तो यही चाहिए था कि यार आप इंसान हो, आप अपनी जिंदगी अपने हिसाब से जियो जो आपको सही लगता है, और मुझे अपने हिसाब से जीने दो. ये बहुत सिंपल चीज है, एंड आई थिंक हम सबको समझ में आती है, लेकिन हम सब इतने फंस चुके हैं, यू नो, इन द होल समाज का जो एक जाल है, जो उसकी कंडीशनिंग है, इतना कुछ है कि नाउ आई हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट फरीदून, यू नो. मैं बहुत चीजें सीख रही हूँ, समझ रही हूँ पिछले 4-5 साल से, और जैसे जैसे मुझे समझ आ रही है, मुझे सिर्फ ये लगता है कि यही तरीका है, मतलब मैं अपने हिसाब से जी सकूं, जिससे मुझे खुशी मिलती है. एंड आई थिंक आई एम डूइंग दैट एंड इट्स एम्पावरिंग मी. लोग एम्पावरमेंट की बात करते हैं, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट और एम्पावरमेंट इन जनरल. ऐसा कोई मतलब आप मून पे नहीं पहुंच जाते हैं, चांद पे नहीं पहुंच जाते हैं आप. एम्पावरमेंट इज दिस, when you take charge of your own life and you make your own choices, no matter what the consequences. So it's a very simple thing to say, not a very simple thing to live by, but trust me, surely the most rewarding thing to do, is to make your own choices in life.
No, definitely. Okay.